Crypto products and NFTs are unregulated and can be highly risky. There may be no regulatory recourse for any loss from such transactions.
Hello, and welcome to this very special AI-generated price analysis. In this weekly price analysis, we will cover Ethereum, Shiba Inu, first, an update on the market and how it is performing. Last week, macro uncertainty started weighing in on the New Year rally across asset classes. As a result, markets witnessed a healthy correction. The bond markets are waking up to the risk of another Fed rate hike. The yield curve between 2 and 10-year treasuries was inverted further, causing it to visit extreme levels that hadn't been seen since the early 1980s. An inverted yield curve shows that long-term interest rates are less than short-term interest rates. It indicates the onset of an economic slowdown. With S&P 500 and Nasdaq falling by close to 3% on a week-on-week basis, Bitcoin, BTC, and ETH mirrored the sentiments of the broader market. Overall, the crypto market cap dropped slightly, taking it below $1.1 trillion. However, despite the market's uncertainties, the Bitcoin Fear and Greed Index continues to stay above 50 and is in the neutral zone, indicating investors' sentiment is not impacted much. Now, coming to Ethereum, this is an important month for Ethereum, as it is preparing itself for the next major protocol upgrade, the Shanghai upgrade. Yesterday, the network's Sepolia testnet successfully underwent a fork. The testnet fork is known as Shapela upgrade. It simulates the mainnet upgrade known as Shanghai, which will be the major updates after last year's major event, the merge. The mainnet upgrade will enable withdrawals of staked ETH from the Beacon chain. On the daily chart, we can see that Ethereum has been trading range-bound for quite some time now. The 1,39,000 rupee level is providing strong support. Ethereum needs to break above the 1,43,000 rupee level to break away from the sideways bias and move higher. If Ethereum gives a breakout, the next major resistance is placed at the 1,50,000 rupee level. Underneath, the 50 EMA line is expected to provide strong support. It's better to initiate trade once Ethereum gives a clear breakout to reduce chances of loss. Now, the final crypto of today's price analysis, Shiba Inu. With the Ethereum L2 platform launch approaching soon, we are witnessing higher activity in SHIB token. SHIB burn activity has also spiked in the last 48 hours, and close to 41% of the supply is burned to date. Looking at the price chart, SHIB 2 is trading in a range-bound fashion between 0.001047 and 0.001160. The 50 EMA slope is expected to provide strong support to SHIB and help the price bounce higher. In case SHIB breaks the 50 EMA support, the next major support is at 0.00096 rupees. RSI2 is indicating sideways momentum to continue until a clear market direction pans out. That's all in today's price analysis.
Crypto products and NFTs are unregulated and can be highly risky. There may be no regulatory recourse for any loss from such transactions.